Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will see class 8th subject science chapter number 5 inside the atom exercise question number 4 to question number 7. So question number 1 is draw a neat label diagram. A. Rutherford scattering experiment. Alpha particles emitted by radioactive element bear a positive charge. Rutherford bombarded alpha particles through a very thin gold foil. He observed the path of alpha particle by means of a fluorescent screen around the gold foil. So in this diagram, alpha particle emitter, golden foil, slit, fluorescent screen. B. Thomson's atomic model. According to Thomson's model, the positive charge is distributed throughout the atom and the negatively charged electrons are embedded in a gel of positive charge. The distributed positive charge is balanced by a negative charge on the electrons. Therefore, the atom becomes electrically neutral. This is Thomson's atomic model. Electrons, positively charged gel. C. Diagrammatic sketch of electronic configuration of magnesium. Atomic number 12. So, atomic number of magnesium is 12. 12 protons, 12 electrons. Magnesium Z is equal to 12. Question D. Diagrammatic sketch of electronic configuration of argon. Atomic number 18. Atomic number of argon 18. 18 protons, 18 electrons. Argon Z is equal to 18. Question number 5. Fill in the blanks. Question 1. Electron, proton, neutron are the types of fill in the blank in an atom. Answer is subatomic particles. Electron, proton, neutron are the types of subatomic particles in an atom. Question 2. An electron carries a fill in the blank charge. Answer is an electron carries a negative charge. Question 3. The electron shell fill in the blank is nearest to the nucleus. Answer. The electron shell K is nearest to the nucleus. Question 4. The electronic configuration of magnesium is 282. From this it is understood that the valence shell of magnesium is fill in the blank. Answer. The electronic configuration of magnesium is 282. From this it is understood that the valence shell of magnesium is M. Question 5. The valency of hydrogen is 1 as per the molecular formula H2O. Therefore, valency of Fe turns out to be fill in the blank as per the formula Fe2O3. Answer. The valency of hydrogen is 1 as per the molecular formula H2O. Therefore, valency of Fe turns out to be 3 as per the formula Fe2O3. Question number 6. Match the pairs. Column 1. Proton, electron, neutron. In column 2. Negatively charged, neutral, positively charged. So answer is proton, positively charged, electron, negatively charged, neutron, neutral. Question number 7. Deduce from the datum provided. Question 1. Datum to deduce. Na2311 neutron number. Second. C14 6 to deduce mass number. Datum Cl3717 to deduce proton number. So the answer is first there are 12 neutrons in the sodium Na2311. So N is equal to A minus Z is equal to 23 minus 11 is equal to 12. Second, mass number. Atomic mass number of C14 6 is 14. Next, there are 17 protons in chlorine Cl3717. So exercise of chapter 5 inside the atom is completed. If you want to watch the similar videos, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.